Today I'm going to show you a few basic rules on how to photograph your finished artwork. What's often neglected and the most important part of the end process of your craft is photographing your artwork. People seem a bit lost when it comes to the specifics of properly capturing their own artwork for digital use and end up settling for a few blurry, distorted shots before shipping the artwork away. As artists, you're frequently asked to submit your work digitally for exhibitions, contests, grants, online marketing, and website profile pages. Taking good photos of your art offers the first-time viewer a powerful impression of the time and effort and skill it took for your artwork and your unique professionalism. Many artists with incredible artwork end up with digital images that look like they've been shot in dimly lit, confusing environments that either distort their artwork or misrepresent the colors, detail, and quality. So let's get right into it. If photographing drawings or paintings, hang them on the wall first. It's a simple thing. Most people don't think about it. Make sure that the wall color doesn't distract from the colors of your art. Find a neutral colored wall, white or gray, something neutral. Find a place in your home or studio that gets the most natural light from outside. Using natural light works because it helps prevent images from taking on odd color tints. Oh, and turn out the light so you don't mix the light sources. If possible, set up the phone either by using a tripod, which will work the best, or if you don't have a tripod, you can always hold it. Let's get it straight. If you're not hanging your artwork on a wall, don't lean your artwork up against a wall and photograph it from a downwards angle. Your artwork will end up looking skewed and out of proportion. Lay your artwork down on the floor in front of a natural light source, like a window or a door. That way the light will be streaming in at a 45-degree angle. So onto your phone, because most people are going to be taking this with their cell phone. Launch your settings icon. Go to the camera icon. Switch on the grid option. Close your settings and open your phone and click on the camera app. The grid option also works with Android. Using grids is also great to use with cameras. Doing this will help you line up and level your art, ensuring the perspective of your artwork isn't crooked. In grid mode, two crosses will appear in the center of your phone display, a yellow and a white one. Line the two crosses so that they overlap, and your camera is now a perfect 90 degrees to the artwork. If the grid lines still look wonky, move back a bit. Most iPhone lenses are semi-wide angle, so they are a bit prone to actually distort. And that's it. With a little bit of effort, you're going to get a great shot. See you next time. Thanks for watching.